Emergency.
Yes, sir. I get a police officer out here. On Congress. I'm on Congress. What road is this? Executive Circle. Executive Circle.
Okay, Congress and Executive.
We need an ambulance. We need a police officer. We need everybody.
What is going on, sir?
My boy guy just got hit.
You in an accident?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Sir, can you tell me who's involved in the accident?
Shorty. He's still breathing.
Hello?
Oh, my God.
Fire.
Please to the ambulance, please.
Hey,
Please to the ambulance.
Could come out to Congress and Executive. Sir, can you talk to the medics, please? Talk.
Stay with us. He's breathing.
Okay, what happened?
The car came through and hit us while we working.
Okay, so it's a vehicle versus pedestrian, correct?
It was one of our workers.
What?
Shorty, stay with us. Stay with us, Shorty.
Sir, I just want to confirm, was he hit in a vehicle or he hit his person?
He was hit by a vehicle. Yes,
Okay.
he was hit by a vehicle.
How old is he?
I don't know how old he is now.
Approximately, we're talking like 20s, 30s?
It's probably 50s, late 50s, 60s,
All right.
early 60s.
All right, we already have the help started, okay? Is he awake at all?
No, I don't. He's breathing, but he's not.
Okay. Is his breathing normal?
Yeah, he's breathing.
Okay, but is his breathing normal?
Yes, Shorty.
He's not like making any gurgling or snoring noises?
Yes.
Yes,
He's
what?
breathing.
Okay. Is he bleeding anywhere?
Yes.
Where is he bleeding from?
Yes. Feel like he's bleeding from his mouth.
Okay. Do you see any obvious deformities, any bones sticking out?
Hey, man, he just got hit.
Do you see a rescue right there?
We got an ambulance. Ambulance just
We had a
came by.
call.
Stop.
We had a rescue
Sir,
junction.
can you tell us where's the vehicle that hit him? Hello? Did he disconnect?
I think so. Our rescue just went through the intersection going to another call, so they stopped out with them.
Okay. All right, I'll call back. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye. West Palm Beach.
Right here from the fire department.
Location of your emergency.
Hey, we right here from the fire department.
Hello?
We were just doing the construction work. Hey, we need a mercury right here on Executive Circle and Congress Avenue, right down from the fire department. We doing the construction work out here.
Okay, what's the address, sir?
Ma'am, we out here in front of Courtland, West Palm.
In front of
Right.
where?
The Courtland, West Palm. Right down from the fire department. Right down from the fire department on Congress Avenue.
What's going on, sir?
We had an accident right here. Got a guy got hit.
It's a car accident?
Yes. Yeah, he hit the
Okay, does it look like he's injured?
Yes, ma'am. That's why we're trying to get you.
Okay, hold on. Let me get the medics on the line with us.
Fire rescue, what's the location of your emergency?
Hey, we right here on Executive Circle and Congress Avenue.
Congress and executive, is it the person
Yes.
that was hit by the car?
Yes.
Okay. Is he still on the ground right now?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see any obvious injuries on him?
Just come on out here real quick.
All right. Thank you for your call. We're getting a lot of calls. Thank you.
All right.
West Palm 911, what is the location of your emergency?
The location is Executive and Congress. One of the construction workers were hit by a car.
Okay,
And
let me
just
get
kept them going.
Was he hit his person or was he in another car?
No, he's one of the construction workers doing the roads.
Okay, let me get the paramedics on the line. Hold on.
Thank you.
Fire rescue, what's the location of your emergency?
Hi, this is West Palm with a transfer. Go ahead with the location.
It's on Congress and Executive Center Drive.
Congress and Executive Center Drive, and what's wrong?
Yes.
Is it a vehicle versus pedestrian?
Yes.
Okay, all right. What's your name, sir? All right, and were you involved or did you just witness it?
No, I just happened to witness it, yes.
Okay, and is the person that was hit, are they awake and breathing at this time?
I don't think so. They're on the floor. There's about 5 workers around trying to determine that as well.
Okay, so you can't really see if he's breathing, but he is on the ground? Okay,
yes.
do you know about how old he is?
No, I can't from this angle.
Okay, all right, and do you see any blood or injuries from where you're at?
Not from this angle either, no.
And is the vehicle that hit them still on scene?
No, I think that the vehicle took off.
Do you know what type of vehicle it might have been?
It was a black vehicle.
Was it a car, truck, or SUV?
Car.
Black car? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
There is
Is it 2-door, 4-door, and which way did it go?
I think it went Congress. It stayed south.
Okay, southbound on Congress. I'm sorry, medics. Go ahead with your questions.
Do you see the ambulance, sir?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
It's
Judy,
just
we're
arrived.
pulling up on scene. Do you have any further questions?
No, that's it.
No, thank you so much. Paramedics, we're almost there, too.
All right, perfect.
Okay.
All right, thank you for
All right.
calling, George.
Thank you, George.
Bye-bye.